U30C. Now these used to come with repeato couplers, but someone's converted it already to micro drains. Very nice conversion. The engine looks like new. It's gonna go well with my Pennsylvania SD40. They're both Kato, so they'll run well together. So I'm going to do my normal cleaning procedure. Let's start with removing the shell. So everything looks good. It was really well taken care of. To convert, let me refocus that for you. To convert to Katie's, they have to cut the pockets for their repeatos. So that was done, and looks like it's going to run very well. So just use your box to keep your stuff organized. This is actually going to go just like yesterday, super well. And remove your retaining screws. And the other side. That. Make sure you don't drop these on the floor. And let the two screws fall out. Same thing. Make sure you don't lose them. And then the frames should split up nice and easy. Here we go. Then inside there, everything's at the right place. So I'm just going to put a little bit of lube. Four drops is all you need. And that's it. The trucks, I used to put lubrication in them, but they don't need it really. So take a look inside there. Looks pretty good from here. So these you pry gently on them. They're pretty rugged, but would be a shame to ruin them. Sometimes you need a little bit of patience to get them done, but it's well worth it in the end. So just wiggle them an inch at a time, and then you can really take a look inside. My goodness, it was really well taken care of. Probably ran beautifully before I touched it, but anyways, I'm going to clean the shell under my brush with some soap and water, and I'll do the truck side frames as well. Soap and water is amazing because it destroys the static barrier and gets rid of all this dust very quickly. So this thing looks amazing, but I'm still gonna want to run it with my rag just to be extra sure that I've got what I wanted done. So I'm gonna do the other 10 wheels off camera, so I don't have to bore you. Now I'm going to put everything back together. So the wheels just snap in there. And when you put the contact strips back on, make sure they line up properly with their journal boxes. And also there's 2 pins up here. where they have to go. So make sure you got them lined up properly. Go to the other side. Test them with your finger. If you feel any resistance, double check your work. Now this is much better. And then we can put the truck back on, the truck side frames. There we go. And that should just snap right in. Again, check it with your fingers. Should be zero rolling resistance. I don't think these need any lubricant whatsoever. Alright, so this end goes outside. And we'll line up the other one. So this end, where there used to be a rapido coupler, goes outside. We're almost done. So as you put them in, take your time, make sure the contact strips are where they should be. And that's it. So I'll grab my retainers back. Before you put your gas tank, make sure your contact strips are lined up properly. The gas tank has a direction where it goes. So this side goes onto here. There's a little tab to make sure you got it fitted properly. The fuel holes and these is in the middle, so they're pretty much symmetrical. You just have to look for the tab. Then you put your headlights. And then your light shield. So all that's left to do is put the shell back on. And then that goes nice and easy. It was very easy to come out, so it goes back the same way. And now it's time to run some trains. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly had a lot of fun doing it for you. See you soon.